everyone. Today we'll learn how to talk about animals in your city. Here's what we'll do. Quiz your vocabulary. Watch a real conversation. Learn grammar and useful expressions. Section 1. Vocabulary Quiz. Animal names in the city, Bangkok. Before we begin, let's see how many animals you already know. Ready? Let's start the quiz. 1. What is this animal? A crocodile. B. Monitor lizard. C. Komodo dragon. The answer is B. Monitor lizard. 2. What is this animal? A. Owl. B. Chicken. C. Pigeon. The correct answer is C. Pigeon. 3. What is this animal? A. Mouse. B. Squirrel. C. Rabbit. The correct answer is B. Squirrel. Great job! Now let's hear a real conversation where these animals are mentioned.
Hey, do you ever see animals around the city?
All the time. Bangkok is full of animals if you pay attention.
Really? I mean, I see dogs and cats, but that's about it.
Oh, I see way more than that. There are squirrels in the trees, especially in parks like Lumpini. And sometimes I spot monitor lizards near the lake.
Wait, monitor lizards? Like the big ones?
Yes. They're huge but usually harmless. They just swim or lie in the sun.
Wow, that's wild. I don't think I'd stay calm if I saw one.
The first time I saw one, I freaked out. But now I'm used to them.
What about birds? Do you see any interesting ones?
Definitely. There are pigeons everywhere, of course. But I've also seen colourful birds in quieter neighbourhoods, sometimes even owls at night.
Owls? In the city?
Yes, Bangkok is noisy, but there are still some green areas where birds and small animals live.
That's actually kind of cool. I should look around more.
You should. The city has more wildlife than you'd expect.
Let's look at 5 useful expressions from the conversation. These will help you sound more natural when you talk about things you see in your city. 1. Way more than, meaning much more than expected or imagined. From the video, oh, I see way more than that. Example, there are way more pigeons than I thought. Most important point, use this to emphasize a big difference. 2. Spot verb, meaning to suddenly notice or see something. From the video, sometimes I spot monitor lizards near the lake. Examples, I spotted a squirrel this morning. Can you spot the gecko on the wall? Most important point, use this to talk about something you see, quickly or by surprise. 3. Harmless, meaning not dangerous or scary. From the video, they're huge, but usually harmless. Example, that dog looks big, but it's harmless. Most important point, use this to describe animals or things that look scary but aren't. 4. Freak out phrasal verb, meaning to suddenly feel shocked, scared, or panicked. From the video, I freaked out the first time I saw one. Examples, I freak out when I see a cockroach. She freaked out during the thunderstorm. Most important point, use this when someone has a strong emotional reaction, usually fear or surprise. 5. Used to be used to something, meaning familiar or comfortable with something now. From the video, but now I'm used to them. Examples: I'm used to the traffic in Bangkok. He's used to walking in the park every day. Most important point, use this to say something is no longer new or strange for you. Great job today! What animals can you see in your city? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.